Hey everyone, it's Karen, and are you wanting to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face so that you can make a great part-time, even a full-time income from home? If you are, then stick around. We're going to be going over some of the highest paying niches on YouTube that you can go into. Because if you're going to put in the time and effort to creating a YouTube channel, you want to make the most amount of money possible, right? So deciding on a niche is really important, especially if you want to be able to replace your full-time income. And even if we go through these and you think maybe some of these aren't for you, make sure you stick around until the end, because if you have an idea, I'm going to share with you the way that you can determine if this will be a profitable niche or not. I'm also going to be sharing with you some niches that you should absolutely avoid. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first profitable niche is book reviews. These are two examples of channels of book reviews. You can see the first one, Productivity Game, has over 400,000 subscribers and gains around 7,000 subscribers a month. They're doing book reviews on popular books about productivity and entrepreneurship and using a software like Doodly where they do whiteboard videos. This type of software is drag and drop, so it doesn't require a lot of technical skills, but these type of videos keep people's attention, which is one of the most important metrics on whether a video does well or not, the average view duration. So how much does this channel make on ad revenue? We'll get to that in just a minute, but just in case you don't know, after you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program, and advertisers pay to place ads on your videos, and you earn 50% of that ad revenue. And CPM, or cost per 1,000 views, determines how much money you make. So if a channel has a CPM of only $3 and a video gets 100,000 views, that video would make the creator $300. But for example, if a channel makes $10 CPM, then they would make $1,000 from a video with 100,000 views. And my channel average is around $38. So a video on my channel with 100,000 views would pay me around $3,800. But even within a channel, there's certain videos that will pay more CPM. For example, this is a product review video that I did, and you can see that the CPM is $218, and I get paid $136 per 1,000 views. The Social Blade stats for this channel, Productivity Game, are around $2,000 a month, but in my experience, this is a very low estimate. Also, besides ad revenue, they're making money with the Amazon affiliate program by having links to Audible and the book they are reviewing in the description of their videos. And you can see their top video has gotten over 1 million views. And if we take this keyword, never split the difference, and look on vidIQ, you can see there's over 24,000 searches a month. It has low competition and a really great overall score. And if you look up all of these keywords, you can see that they are really great keywords with a lot of searches and very low competition. Oh, and by the way, if you're really serious about creating a profitable Faceless YouTube channel, I do have a free masterclass. That'll be the first link in the description below this video. Definitely check it out. Another example of a channel in the book niche review is Fight Mediocrity. And they have similar videos on book reviews, and they do whiteboard software as well. If we take a look at their top video, it has over 8 million views. And that keyword has a search volume of over 22,000 and has good competition as well. If we take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see they earn over $6,000 a month. And again, I'm sure it's more depending on what their CPM is. So if you enjoy reading books on a certain topic and you've done your research, this would be a great niche to get into. The next profitable niche is luxury. An example channel is Luxury King. And this channel has been around for only 10 months, and they already have a video with over 1 million views. So with this channel, they have a script, a voiceover, and video stock footage. And you can see by their Social Blade stats, it shows they're making over $7,000 a month, which in my experience is more than that. One of my friends makes $10,000 to $12,000 a month with ad revenue, and her Social Blade stats show she makes around $900. So again, it's not accurate because you don't know what the CPM of their channel is, and that determines how much money you make. But you can see a lot of their videos have gotten a lot of views, and this is a very profitable niche. The next profitable niche is ASMR. What exactly is ASMR? It stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, and these videos have a certain sound that's relaxing and help people with anxiety, stress, or falling asleep. An example channel is ASMR Soap. You can see they have over 400,000 subscribers, and they literally crush or scrape soap. Their most popular video has over 5 million views, and it's a very popular thing for people to watch. And videos like this, people would literally watch them over and over, which would give you a lot more views. And their Social Blade stats estimate they make $15,000 a month. So you can see this would be a very popular niche to get into, and I think one that would be very fun as well as relaxing. The next profitable niche is business, And an example channel is Success Secrets TV, and they have over 1 million subscribers. They also use animated whiteboard videos and talk about different aspects of business and entrepreneurship. Their most popular video has over 4 million views, and their Social Blade stats estimate they make over $3,000 a month in ad revenue, which again I estimate is higher because of what advertisers will pay in this niche and the number of subscribers they have. So if business interests you, this would be a great channel for you to check out. The next profitable niche is travel, and an example channel is The World According to Briggs. And on this channel, he talks about facts about different places, mainly in the United States, like top 10 most hated states in the US, top 10 cheapest states for renters. And you can see this channel has over 500,000 subscribers, and their most popular video has over 4 million views. 10 most secluded towns in the United States. Their Social Blade stats show they make over $22,000 a month. So if you like travel, you should think about starting this type of channel. The next profitable niche is health. An example channel is Picture Fit. You can see they have over 1 million subscribers, and their videos, of course, are about health and fitness, and they have a script and an animation software they use. A lot of their videos have over millions of views, and you can see they took a break for several months and haven't posted for the last 10 months. And their Social Blade stats show they make over $2,000 a month. So if you have an interest in health and fitness, definitely check out this channel. The next profitable niche is relationship advice, and an example channel is called Make Them Love You. They talk about different aspects of love and relationships, and you can see their most popular video has over 2 million views. They use a script, a voiceover, and video stock footage on free sites like Pexels and Pixabay.com. And their Social Blade stats show they make over $2,000 a month. So if you like to learn and talk about relationships, this would be a great channel idea for you. So what if none of these topics sound interesting to you and you have an idea and want to know if it would be profitable? So here's what you need to do. First of all, if you're passionate about the topic and want to talk about it long term, that's good because you're going to be creating a lot of content. And of course you can outsource everything, but it helps, I believe, to at least have an interest in the topic. So you want it to be something with a lot of interest. Look for videos in the niche that have at least 100,000 views and also have some sub niches that you can go into on the topic. Besides having a good CPM, you also want to have ways to monetize the channel with affiliate products so you can have multiple streams of income. For example, the psychology niche is very profitable and has several sub niches like anxiety, narcissism, self-esteem, happiness. There's so many topics within this niche. And you can make money through referring people to books on the topics on Amazon, and there's also ClickBank products. So again, make sure there's enough of an interest in the topic by videos that are already on YouTube, and that you can monetize it in several ways. Now, what are topics that you should avoid? You should avoid them because you won't get monetized long term. It may work short term, but you may get your channel banned if you do these things. You don't just want to re-upload videos or music to your channel or do compilation videos like put together a bunch of TikTok videos, because YouTube doesn't consider this what's called fair use, where you actually have to change the video and not just re-upload videos. And you may also get copyright strikes and get your channel banned. You want to avoid a niche having to do with children because of what's called the COPPA law, and that is the Children's Online Privacy Act. And it is designed to protect children under 13 years old who access the internet. So it's just best to stay away from this area and have your videos not be designed for children. Also, in the past, meditation channels with music and images of videos were fine, but YouTube most likely will not monetize a meditation channel if you don't make it transformative by adding something like affirmations.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, guys. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make up to $5,000 per month re-uploading YouTube videos. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.